Documents are currency in facilities management. They support all kinds of activities, including floor reconfigurations, move management, and daily operations. Planroom provides a web platform that lets staff, outside contractors, and consultants access the documents they need on any device whenever necessary. Your document library can be searched and filtered to easily find the documents you need. Each document can have as many fields as necessary to provide the detail your users need. In facilities, there are always projects going on, and documents inform projects. Planroom lets you build those relationships by adding documents to projects, so you can get all the information you need with the fewest possible clicks. Download history informs everyone with access about what files are being downloaded, by whom, and when. Knowing what files are active and who is working with them provides managers with useful information on project activities within the facility's operations and construction areas. Visit cafmresources.com to learn more about Evolve FM. Evolve FM, everything you need, nothing you don't.